What's up, guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to make your TikTok account private. Now, by default, TikTok accounts are public, but if you want to make yours private, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. That should take you to your profile page and also reveal this menu icon, the three horizontal lines. Tap on those and select Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, go to Privacy, and then you want to turn on Private Account. Once you enable that, it means your TikTok account is now private. Now in future, when you no longer want it private, you can come back to the same place and disable that. And that's basically how to make your TikTok account private. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.